Welcome to 509 Hickory Hill Drive. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome is located in the St. Andrews, Broad River Road area of Columbia. Convenient to I-20, I-26, Harbison, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. We're out front now. You have 2 parking spaces reserved out front. Pavers leading up to the covered entry. Step inside. You have laminate hardwood flooring in the foyer, continues down the hall to the kitchen and into the kitchen as well. And there is a coat closet off of the entry here. Stairs going up to the second level, which we'll take a look at in a second. You have a nice sized living room open to the dining area on the other side there. Wood burning fireplace. 2 sliding glass doors out to the enclosed back patio. So you have sort of half patio, half grass with some pavers there. There's a small gate, but there's some common area behind there. We won't actually go outside. There's not much else to see from other than what you can see from here. But nice sized living area again. In the kitchen, you have white cabinets and appliances. There's a laundry closet here with space for a stackable washer and dryer. And actually, I see a washer plug, but no dryer. Excuse me, washer connections, but no actual dryer plug in there. At least not the larger. It's just a normal outlet, so it may only accommodate a washing machine. Again, the kitchen though has a ceiling fan in here. You have a second door out to some more space out there. There's not a gate on that one, but it just is a bit more sort of a front porch space. Dishwasher included, as well as electric range and refrigerator over here. Then you have a half bathroom off this hall leading to the kitchen. Corner single sink and commode, just taking advantage of the space underneath the stairs there. So on the second level, you have 2 bedrooms, and they share 1 bath in the hall. One actually has access from the bathroom. You can see the room there. We'll take a look at it from the other side as well. But it's off of this bedroom. Both bedrooms upstairs do have sliding doors that you can open. In lieu of a window, you have 2 closets here. I'll open one of them up for you so you can see the basic size. Apologize, there's no light in here, but the other one's the same size. And then you have full bathroom, laminate hardwood flooring, updated single vanity, and then you have a shower and tub here. Medicine cabinet on the other wall as well. The hallway, linen closet behind some bifold doors, and then second bedroom has a ceiling fan. Same sliding glass door out to the back, and then you have a closet there with bifold doors. So that completes our tour of this home. Address again is 529 Hickory Hill Drive in the St. Andrews area of Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.